Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this CPAP cleaning machine tubing adapter for the AirSense 11. This is going to be an unboxing video, so let me show you what you get when you order this. So it protects it during shipment. This is how it looks. So you have your nozzle right here. You have this piece right here and this piece. It has a very strong hinge area. You can see it's very tight plastic, made very well. It has this silicone ring right here, so it keeps everything airtight. It has this flexible tube right here. It's very thick. Let's see. It has this clip. So the plastic is a very durable plastic. This is how it looks. I hope you enjoy the video.